Standing long jump is often used as a functional test to assess leg power, but it may underestimate the athlete's potential if the athlete do not use the best possible technique. It is a starting position in a preparatory phase where arms is placed in front and knees are bent. Note that arm swing and leg extension should be observed before the takeoff. The takeoff angle maximizes the jump distance. The performance in the standing long jump is evaluated by the total jump distance, which is the horizontal distance from takeoff line to mark made by the heels at landing. Total jump distance is the sum of the components distances, which are the takeoff distance, flight distance, and landing distance. Flight distance is the largest component of the total jump distance. However, takeoff and landing distance also made significant contributions. Both the takeoff and landing distances decreases with increasing takeoff angle, so the optimum angle of takeoff is not 45 degrees but 30 degrees. These increases arises because the takeoff angle is raised. Greater muscular force is required to overcome the body weight, so less force is spent accelerating the body.